This video gives the information about Engineers Australia. Engineers Australia is a assessment authority body for assessing the engineering occupations. So first we will see what occupations can be assessed by Engineers Australia, and then I will give you other information. So here is the list of occupations: aeronautical engineer, and they have also given the codes over there: agriculture engineer, then bio medical engineer, civil engineer, chemical engineer, electronics engineer, electrical engineer, environmental engineer, geotechnical engineer, industrial engineer, materials engineer, mechanical engineer, mining engineer, naval architect, petroleum engineer, production or plant engineer, structural engineer, telecommunications engineer, telecommunications network engineer, transport engineer, engineering professional, engineering technologist category. In that category there is a engineering technologist and engineering associate category. In that there is a civil engineering draftsperson, electrical engineering draftsperson, telecommunication field engineer, telecommunication network planner, the technical officer, and engineering manager. If your occupation is any of these, then you need to do your skill assessment through this Engineers Australia. So mainly there are three types of occupational categories in engineering: professional engineer, engineering technologist, and engineering associate. So if you have 4-year degree, then you come under professional engineer. And engineering technologist, that means if you have 3 years of bachelor's degree after 12th exam. And engineering associate is just 2 years of advanced diploma. So if you have done diploma, then you will be treated as engineering associate. They have also given some of the roles and responsibilities of those engineers. And in engineering manager, generally bachelor degree or the higher engineering, and some of the duties and responsibilities have been given there. And you also need to meet the English language requirement as well. So they have given here what English requirements you should have. So IELTS, you should have 6 band in each section. If you have taken TOEFL, you should have 12, 13, 21, 18 score in listening, reading, writing, speaking respectively. And in PT you should have 50 score in each of the sections. Then let us take a look at pathways for the migration skills assessment. There are 5 pathways under which you can apply. First one, there are broadly 2 categories: accredited qualifications, and second one is non-accredited qualifications. So in the accredited qualification there are 4: Australian qualifications, Washington Accord qualifications, then Sydney Accord qualifications, and Dublin Accord qualifications. You need to apply under correct category or the pathway, otherwise your application might be rejected. Here they have also given the chart how to choose the pathway. So for example, if your qualification is accredited by Engineers Australia, and then you can jump to this one: my qualification is listed as fully accredited according to the signatories published listing, and the date of my qualification matches the listed accreditation dates. If it is yes, then you can come down here: I want to be assessed according to my degree title and course contents, and then yes. If you have all these answers as yes, then you can apply under Australian qualifications pathway. If you come under Washington Accord, Sydney Accord, or Dublin Accord, accordingly you have to choose the pathway. So what is this Washington Accord, Sydney Accord, and Dublin Accord? All that information is given in this particular PDF. So I will leave the link of this PDF in the description of this video, so you can check it out later on. So these accords are basically the agreements between different countries. What happens is that the colleges in different countries are accredited by the certain bodies. Whichever college come under this Washington Accord will be eligible for that pathway. So accordingly you have to do the skill assessment. So if you have answer as no to any of these questions, then you will have to apply under the CDR, that is competency demonstration report pathway. Here they have also given how you can apply online for doing the skill assessment. Down here they have given the information about how you can write the career episodes, and how you can prepare your skill assessment application basically. So you can go through the each and every line of this particular document, then you will come to understand how you can prepare your application for the skill assessment. In this document you will also find the information about the different accords, Washington Accords, Sydney or Dublin Accords as well. So you can go through this document, and then if you have more questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video.